Got a Canon EOS M50 or M50 Mark II? Your camera's slim, but your shots don't have to be. Today, we're diving into the best lenses that can turn this mini marvel into a full-blown photography powerhouse. Sharp, versatile, and absolutely eye-catching. Before we start, quick favor. Hit subscribe, drop a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which lens you'd pick. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Sigma 16mm f1.4 DCDN-C. This Sigma Contemporary Prime for Canon EF-M mount is a real gem. Its standout feature? That f1.4 maximum aperture combined with a wide-angle perspective, giving an effective focal length of about 25.6 millimeters. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for landscapes, architectural interiors, or even astrophotography. Build quality feels solid in the hand, and the image quality backs it up. Our lab tests confirmed excellent sharpness and contrast, even wide open at f1.4. Compact, high performance, and reliable. This lens is a must-have for anyone serious about making the most of their M50 or M50 Mark II. Number 2. Canon EF-M 11-22mm f4-5.6 IS STM. If you're looking for a wide-angle zoom, this one's a standout. Perfect for travel, interiors, or sweeping landscapes, it gives a much broader perspective than the standard 15-45mm kit lens. And unlike other wide-angle zooms that are bulky and heavy, this lens uses a retractable design, similar to Canon's 15-45mm kit lens, packing a broad field of view into a tiny 61-by-58mm body. On a full-frame equivalent, it covers 18-35mm, and its small size even lets it slip into a coat pocket, ideal for photographers on the move. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Number 3. Canon EF-M 55-200mm 4.5-6.3 IS STM. For many photographers, a telephoto zoom is the first extra lens added to a kit. The Canon EF-M 55-200mm is lightweight, affordable, and designed to match the M50 perfectly. It uses a plastic mount, but the build feels sturdy while keeping the weight to just 260 grams. That also keeps the price accessible. Measuring 61-by-87mm, it's compact for a telephoto zoom, yet offers a versatile 88-320mm full-frame equivalent focal range. This makes it ideal for portraits, sports, and capturing distant subjects. It's a lens that gives you reach without weighing you down. Number 4. Viltrox AF 56mm f1.4. If you're not familiar with Viltrox, it's a brand worth knowing. They've made some excellent fast primes for full-frame and APS-C mirrorless cameras, including Canon EF-M. The AF 56mm f1.4 is my top pick for portraits. On the M50 or M50 Mark II, it gives an effective focal length of around 90mm, perfect for headshots. In testing, this lens impressed with image quality, maintaining sharpness even wide open, while delivering beautifully smooth bokeh. Just make sure to get the Canon EF-M mount version, because the 56mm f1.4 is also available in other mounts. For portraits, this lens is a standout performer. Number 5. Canon EF-M 22mm f2 STM. If a 35mm prime is often considered ideal on full-frame cameras, the 22mm EF-M brings that perspective to APS-C cameras like the M50 series. Its compact pancake design keeps it small and discreet, perfect for unobtrusive shooting and easy portability. The f2 maximum aperture lets you achieve shallow depth of field for close-ups or maintain faster shutter speeds in low light. It's versatile, lightweight, and ideal for street photography or travel. It's simple, elegant, and the kind of lens you can carry everywhere. So, which one stands out above the rest? If you want one lens that truly makes your M50 or M50 Mark II shine, it's the Sigma 16mm f1.4 DCDN Type C. Bright, sharp, and perfect for everything from vlogs to landscapes. Compact enough to carry anywhere, fast enough to handle low-light situations, and versatile enough to cover so many creative scenarios. It's the lens that transforms your camera into a true photography powerhouse. Whether you're starting your photography journey, upgrading your kit, or just looking to get the most out of your M50 or M50 Mark II, these lenses cover all the bases. From wide landscapes to portrait perfection. Pick the one that fits your style and watch your photography reach new heights. Which lens would you grab first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see your pics.